folks, Greg Roberts here, General Manager at Infiniti of Melbourne. If you're in the market for a luxury SUV, then you owe it to yourself to check out the all-new 2023 Qx60. Totally redesigned, better warranty, more horsepower than all the competitors, plus comes with 3 years factory schedule maintenance included, no additional charge. And in Infiniti of Melbourne, we do not have a premium price markup over MSRP. So stop by and check it out today. Only in Infiniti of Melbourne. I'll see you here.